Hello! Greetings mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating vlog worldwide and netwide. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-Skywatcher and ka-Spacer, Sir Jun Cahigaw. And welcome to another of our ka-Spacers vlog. So for today's video, mag-a-unbox po tayo ng isang bagong telescope. So before we continue with our video for today, don't forget to like and share this video para po makarating sa maraming tao, lalong-lalo po yung mga estudyante natin out there, so that they will be engaged and they will be inspired to love the sciences. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, the Skywatchers Society of Las Piñas po. Naku, napakalaking tulong po sa amin yan. And don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Science Guy, Professor Jun Cahigaw. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you would be updated on our future videos. So tara po, samahan niyo po ako and let's unbox a new telescope. Let's go! Alright mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers, I am so excited at i-unbox na natin itong telescope that I bought from a Japan surplus shop. So this is a Kenko 80mm refracting telescope. Yan. And what attracted me to buy this is yung focal length niya. Yung focal length po ng telescope na ito is 1200 mm. Mahaba po ito. And gusto ko po yung ganyan, yung mahaba, malalaking telescopes. Kasi pag meron po kaming free public telescope viewing, nakaka-attract po ng mga tao yan. Sasabihin ng mga tao, uy, laking telescope! Uy, ang haba ng telescope! Yung ganun po sila. So, lalapitan po nila kayo. Ayan, so ganun po. So anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's unbox this telescope. Let's go. Alright, so i-unbox muna na. Dalawang boxes po ito. Yung isa siguro sa optical tube assembly or OTA, and ito naman siguro yung tripod assembly. Ayan, nakita pa yung, ewan ko kung ano ito. Alright. Ayan, this is still in Japanese. Ayan, okay, so buksan ngayon natin ito. Ayan, so ito yung ano, yung mount niya. Ewan kung ano ito. Alright. Oh, yan. So, ayan. Ito yung eyepiece holder. Alright. Ay, ito yung para sa ano ito. This is for solar viewing. Yan, ito. Ay, meron siyang ganito. Pang for projection method po. Alright. Tagarin natin ito. Yan. So, ito yung kanyang equatorial mount. Yan, ito yung para sa counterweight. Yan, yung mga tornilyo. Yan, ito yung telescope ring niya. Ito, maganda ito. Itong equatorial mount niya. Yan, at may nahalong shorts. Alright, so there. Ito yung para sa projection method. Sige, yan. Ganda ng equatorial mount niya. Okay, let's take a look at the telescope tube. Ayan, dito yung box ng optical tube assembly. Ayan, no? So this is the telescope Kenko KES 80mm refracting telescope po ito. Okay, let's open the box. The original pa in Japanese. Wow, fantastic. Alright, so ito po yung second box and ito po yung telescope. This is a Kenko KES 80mm refracting telescope. Ayan po, ito pa yung mga ano niya, oh. Fantastic. Ayan, this is a refractor. Ayan, oh, Kenko KES 80mm. Ang focal length po niya, ito yung optical tube assembly, 1200 mm. Fantastic. Yan, medyo may signs na luma na siya talaga, oh. Pero madali lang yun. Yan, Kenko. Okay, ito yung mga eyepieces niya, ito yung counterweight. Ayan, may manual pa in Japanese. Ayan, huh? Fantastic. Ayan, ito yung for solar viewing. Meron siyang mga projection, ano. Wow. 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 Wala akong masabi. Wala akong masabi. Ayan, ito yung equatorial mount. Wow, talagang bumibili ako ng mga ano, rare po ito. I can't wait to assemble this telescope. Alright, so this is a KES 80mm refracting telescope. A refractor uses lenses to collect light from the distant object and produces a magnified image. Unlike yung reflector, ang reflector uses mirrors to collect the light and produces the magnified image. Ito naman po, this is a refractor. A refractor uses lenses to collect the light and produces a magnified image. Ito pa yung kanyang finder scope, yung focuser niya. Alright, can't wait to assemble this telescope. This is the Kenko KES 80mm 1200 mm focal length refracting telescope. Sige po, i-assemble na natin to. Let's go! Alright, so I have just assembled this Kenko KES 80mm refracting telescope. So ito po yung kanyang equatorial mount. Ang ganda, very sturdy po. Medyo nahirapan din ako mag-assemble nito. Aluminum tripod. Yun yung kanyang eyepiece holder. Alright, pero kahit na aluminum tripod siya, very sturdy po. This is the counterweight. Alright, ito yung declination knob. This is the right ascension knob. Ito yung telescope rings, yung parang cradle niya. And this is the optical tube. Ayan. So, ang focal length po nito yung 1200 mm. Alright, ito yung kanyang finder scope. And over here, ayan po yung kanyang ano. Ayan, 80mm lens, objective lens diameter 80mm. Focal length is 1200 mm. Alright, Kenko KES 80 refracting telescope. So a refractor uses lenses to collect light and produces the magnified image of the distant object. Alright, ganda nito. Grabe, fantastic. Alright, so this is an addition to the fleet of telescopes na gagamitin ng Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas for our free public telescope viewings. Ako, pag nakita to ng mga tao, lalapitan to. Very good addition to the fleet of telescopes na gagamitin ng Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa aking roof deck observatory. Yan, napakaganda. Naku, mamaya susubukan ko to. Fantastic. Alright, so ito po yung newly assembled Kenko KES 80mm refracting telescope. Yung focal length nito ay 1,200 mm. Wow, isn't she a beauty? Ayan, no? So, there, ang ganda. Additional fleet sa aming free public telescope viewings ng Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Meron pa siyang sun projector na kinakabit dito para to view the sun. Ayan, ang galing, no? Alright, this is the Kenko KES 80mm refracting telescope. So, there you have it, mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers. So, dito na ngayon nagtatapos ang ating video ngayong araw na ito. So, sana po marami kayong natutunan about telescopes. So, bago po tayo magtapos, again, nakikiusap po ako sa inyo to like and share this video para makarating po sa maraming tao. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin out there para ma-engage po sila at ma-inspire to love the sciences. And don't forget po to follow us on our Facebook page, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. And don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel, The Science Guy, Professor Jun Cahigal. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you will be updated on our future videos. So sige po, marami pong salamat, and don't forget to always keep looking up and always keep your space. Bye-bye po. So long for now.